Tim and Luisa Rogers, Downey, California. Well, it had been nearly 20 years since we had done anything with the bathroom and it was outdated.
The bathtub was the big reason. We really wanted a walk-in shower, so we found high-tech builders. Well, actually, I found high-tech builders through Angie's List. Meeting with Mai was fantastic. She was very personable. Truly, her personality is what closed the deal, I think.
We knew before she left that we were going to hire her, and of course we didn't tell her that, but we knew. The job went very well. If there were ever any issues, May was very responsive. She had people here to take care of whatever it was, and it was done timely, and it was done very efficiently, and we're very happy with the product. It feels great. We're still getting used to it because we were so ingrained in the old one, but it's great to be able to get up every day and use it.
It's wonderful. I feel like I'm in a luxury hotel, so.
We would absolutely recommend high-tech to family and friends, yes.
We already have.
May, thank you for all that you did during our project. We're very happy with how this went, and just thank you, high-tech builders. Great job.
We really appreciated all the quick responses, the text messages, the showing up unexpectedly to help us resolve one thing or another. So the customer service was really fantastic.